some comely maids that lives near Carlow dwelling. Beware of young men's for letter and tongues with love to you they're telling. Beware of the kindest words they say, be wise and never mind them. For if they were talking till the day, they'd still leave you behind them.
In Carlow town I was brought up, all free from debt or dangers, when Colonel Riley listed me to join the Wicklow Rangers. He dressed me up in scarlet red and treated me right kindly, but still I thought my heart would break for the girl I left behind.
Of age when I was broken-hearted. I was deep in love for 7 years, but then my jewel he parted. Maidens wonder why I mourn, bid me not to mind him, for he will have more grief than joy for leaving me behind him. Now my love is gone from me, I own I do not blame him, for oftentimes he has told me he never would deceive me. But now he's gone to serve the Queen unto some distant island. I hope one day he will return to the girl he left behind him.
Oh, me and my comrade both walked out one day for recreation. Me and my comrade both walked out to view a pleasant station. Me and my comrade both sat down while fair maid sat beside us, and we raised a glass and drank a toast to the girls we left behind us.
With jealousy these maids arose, saying we can stay no longer. If I'm not home at milking time, I'm sure there will be anger. Sit down, my handsome comely maid, your cows are all in clover. Sit down, fair maid, and be content, for your milking days are over. It's not my love I blame, I own all for our separation, that left me wandering far from home, all to a distant nation. But if ever I get liberty, no one shall ever buy me. I'll see my native land once more, and the girl I left behind me.